You singing the soldering song?
Yeah.
Make sure we don't see any copper left, okay?
Yeah.
You can put that underneath the bottom of the wire too, doesn't matter. The soldering iron. So if you want to hold the iron underneath. We're getting there, man. What do you think?
Yeah. Oh, I just kind of burned it on the fitting by accident.
That's okay. You mostly want to feed the solder into the wire itself, not necessarily onto the iron, alright? Because otherwise you're just sending solder to the ground. Don't touch your hand on that iron.
On that?
On anything metal on that iron. Just remember, that thing will toast you. So heat up your wire first, and then feed the solder into the wire, not into the soldering iron. That should be good right there. Alright, now if you get any extra stuff on there, melt it up and tap it a little bit.